All right, howdy, my name is Rachel Doss. This is gonna be my Reading 468 sound check, notebook check, and activity book check. So first we're gonna go through the sound check, and my mom is recording me talking with my sounds, and then she'll also be helping record as I flip through my books. So let's get right to it. Starting with apron, A, equal, E, iris, I, opener, O, unicorn, U, star, R, fern, fork, or, book, moon, oo, saucer, oil, oi, out, ow, itch, echo, apple, octopus, umbrella, bat, dog, fish, goat, house, jam, kite, box, queen, leaf, mittens, nest, pig, rabbit, sock, table, Valentine, wagon, yarn, zipper, chair, ship, king, mother, thimble, whistle, explosion. All right, so that was the sound check, and now we're going to transition over to the notebook check. All right, so this is my notebook. The green are going to be the tabs. So first we have the syllabus, and then we have our teaks, all included right here. Lots of teaks. And then session 1. Session 2. And then I just want to also mention that I emailed you in the middle of the semester and asked if I could type my notes because they wasn't provided with a printer. So you'll notice that these are just all going to be typed throughout. Most of these are not handwritten, if you're looking for handwriting. Okay, so I finished at session 19, and I just wanted to mention that for this last week in the class, I have been out of town, so I don't have a printer. So I just wanted to show you session 20 included here that I typed up. Session 21. And session 22. And then lastly, this is going to be my connect, collect, and correct chart over dyslexia. So all my questions are answered here before I did the session 22. These are my corrected answers, and these are things that I have learned in the correct section. Okay, so that's for the notebook. And then now we're gonna flip to the activity book. So I try my best to kind of pick apart the sections that were included. or that were required and mentioned on the syllabus. So we're just going to flip through. All right, that looks like that's the end of it. Thank you.